Hi everyone, Aysel here. Thanks for joining me. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to draw a nose. There are a few things to cover, so let's jump in. I sketched the nose and eyes together. I didn't film this part because there's so many nose tutorials out there focused on sketching. Today is all about vector noses. A sentence you don't hear every day. I start tracing the planes of the eye with the pen tool first. But a full eye tutorial is going to come soon. It's just important to frame the nose with the eyes and the eyebrows. We're not going to draw each plane one by one, but we're going to group our planes into shady areas and highlights. I'm using blue and later I will be using yellow so you can have a clear idea of how the light hits each plane. Moving on to the nose, I start with the side, continue with the wings, and finish with the bottom plane. This is where the nostrils are. The bottom plane plays an important role in giving our nose a 3D effect. Alright, off camera I decided to draw the other eye. I think I was just bothered by the lack of symmetry, but we are back to the nose. I am adjusting the shapes by moving the nodes until they match my sketch a bit better. Then I moved on to the main highlight area. This area goes all the way from the lower part of the forehead, between the eyes, the bridge of the nose, and the tip. My light source is coming from the left, which means that we need a few yellow highlights here too. I want to contour the eyes, that's why I'm using the pen tool here with no fill. Same for the wings and the nostrils. I just want my illustration to have some structure after I hide the sketch layer. You will see the effect later. Alright, now I'm going to change my colors so they don't look so flat. And for the shady areas, I'm using a purple to transparent gradient. All my highlights will take on a gradient that goes from white to transparent. Because I love the aesthetic of purple and yellow, I went with a yellow background, which I created on top of the sketch layer. And here's our illustration in its full glory. As always, I work with the gradients instead of simple colors. Let's put all the layers on 100% opacity so we can see our true colors. I think my purple is a little too intense, so I'm adjusting the gradient here. Next, the nostrils. They are very easy to create. I drew two ovals and then I adjusted the shape with the node tool. I created my original sketch based on the Asura head. Asura head is a mannequin designed to teach artists the planes of the face and how the light hits each plane. All the planes on the mannequin are very sharp, so the shadows look very obvious. This helps when learning how to sketch. But I don't want my final illustration to be so angular, so I'm just rounding up some of the corners with the node tool. To turn an angular pad into a rounded one, simply double tap on the node and adjust the handles until you're happy with how it looks. I'm personally happy with the illustration, so I stopped here. This video was more technical than usual, so hope you guys enjoyed it. Let us know if you'd like to see a full series covering the mouth, eyes, and the rest of the face. See you in the next video.